Tell me, what the hell is this thing we call human nature? Got us overpopulated, there's a lot of euthanasia. And I'm stressed out every day, got the world on top of me. A light-skinned leader puffing on broccoli. Like I'm no president, I mean what I say and I say what I mean like that elephant, not for the hell of it. I'm building my road composed of yellow bricks and I wanna get free this year of the snake's whisper. A globe-shaped tumor, I'm trying to get rid of this sphere. Cursed with this gift just to spit these verbs and adjectives that mix with herbs that are dipped in the best rays of the sun. Get them microphone murderers, flatten the earth's curvature. And we ain't Captain Kirk, we don't set phases to stun, kill them. And the side of me still scared of rejection, forever chasing the fleeting illusion of perfection. Now I'm just trying to learn from these things that I've seen. I'ma do what I yabba dabba do. You got what I mean? Huh?
Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm with the gang, and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing every time we show up. You a lame, and you so below us. Bet your hoe she know us, cause you know we glowed up. We stayed down, and came up, we stayed down, and came up, the gang up.
Yeah, I'm a villain that's winning. With precision I'm killing, represent the religion. Ended up independent, took my car to the clinic. Let them check all the vitals, middle finger to rival. Michael Jackson my idol, still ducking the potholes. Talk to the plug every day except Cinco de Mayo. I still got me a Carlo, still got Monte Carlo. Your car running so bad it's think up the Apollo. Call my Rollie a Rollo, call my AP a Al. I ain't talking seat belts when I say that I'm strapped. I'm in love with my side hoe, I sneak it through the side door. I'ma show you what we ride for, I'ma show you what we die for.
Gang, and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing every time we show up. You a lame, and you so below us. Bet your hoe she know us, cause you know we glowed up. We stayed down, came up, we stayed down, came up, gang up.
I'm in my same lane, it ain't gon' ever change. I blow the brain out the range like a Taz Angel. It's R.I.P. to Paul Walker, homie, got me stained up. We had your main on us, now we got stains on us. And all we gotta do is stay down and come up while they flexing. Yeah, I got a Indian, she Western. Yeah, I just had sex with one of your best friends. Then that Fast and Furious started nesting. Okay, I'm about to go take over, yeah. Did you stand? Is you rolling like a stroller? Yes, you roll. You ready to take over like a 1980 Coke? Yes, you ain't on that Instagram shit or you gon' post that?
I'm with the gang, and we bout to go up. Switching lanes, it's a thing every time we show up. You a lame, and you so below us. Bet your hoe she know us, cause you know we glowed up.